The first thing I'm making is bacon. Now I love making in the air fryer because you don't get the stinky, greasy bacon smell that stays in your house forever, and cleanup is a breeze. Go ahead and preheat the oven to 400 degrees. Okay, once it's all preheated, go ahead and open it up and you can put in your bacon. So we're just gonna spread them out. I did cut these in half. They used to be a lot bigger, just to make my life a little bit easier, so we can put in as many as we can. Then we're just gonna close it up and cook it. Okay, so we're gonna push the bacon button. It's gonna go for 8 minutes. Go ahead and push start. Okay, so we're about halfway through. Oh, it's looking good. I personally don't think we need to flip it. We're gonna let it finish cooking because I like it crispy. Okay, our 8 minutes is up. Let's see how it looks. Oh, it looks great. All right, bacon taste test. I love bacon. Oh, it is good. And the cleanup was so easy. I'm a fan, huge fan of this.